Box braids is one hairstyle that can never be outdated, and I'm sure you can agree with me on that. Having to choose from a variety of braid styles such as bohemian braids, butterfly braids, peekaboo braids, bob braids, two-tone braids, and ombre braids with curly ends, to picking a color such as blonde, red, brown, white, or just simply creating your own blend. One can be indecisive of what to pick. I am here to help you make the right choice that will guarantee you growth and gorgeousness. Knotless braids are the most painless braids as compared to regular braids. Now, the reason why is because you first braid your hair once or twice and then you gradually add pieces of hair extensions. Whilst with regular braids, you first have to wrap the extension around your own hair and then start to braid. Now, this can cause a lot of tension on your scalp because of the wrapping, but with knotless braids, because you are building up the hair extensions, then it feels as though it is your own hair. This also makes your hair feel lighter as compared to the regular braids, because I remember a time when I got regular braids and the moment I took it down, I felt some sort of relief, like a weight was just thrown away. And it just shows you that when you get regular braids, it is more heavier as compared to knotless braids. The downside about knotless braids is that it is expensive as compared to regular braids, but it also depends where you get your hair done, because some salons have the same prices for both because of course it is braids, but others price knotless braids more than regular braids because knotless braids are more versatile. You can style it the moment you get it done. You can put it in a ponytail, tie it up, do whatever you want, because with regular braids, when you get it, you will feel some sort of pain when you put it up in a ponytail, so you have to wait for like a week or so for your roots to loosen up a bit and then you can style it. So I do understand why knotless braids are pricey, and also because they're trending, that's why the prices increase. The best part about getting regular braids is that they last for a long time. They last for about 6 to 8 weeks. When you compare it to knotless braids last for about 4 to 6 weeks. So I can say I've had my knotless braids for about 6 weeks now, but when it reached the 4-week mark, it looked like I had to take it down. Even now, it's already long overdue, but regular braids last longer than this. Your scalp, or let me say your roots, will still look as neat as the day you got it because of the wrapping method that is used. But one thing I can say, or I can advise you to do, is to get knotless braids because number one, it is lighter on your head. It does not cause a lot of breakage. The only breakage that you might experience is the shedding of your hair, because we know that you lose 100 strands of hair every month, so that's the only type of shedding you may experience. But it also depends on how you take care of your hair, because if you're leaving your hair dry and expecting the knotless braids to retain growth, then no, it doesn't work like that. So with the normal braids, it's the same thing, but I feel like you will experience more breakage because of the tightness of your roots, because of the wrapping and all that. You will experience more breakage than usual. Now that you know the difference between knotless and regular braids, comment down below and tell me which one you prefer. Subscribe if you haven't already, like this video, and share this video with someone you know who would find this to be helpful. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.